Hello everybody, I'm meteorologist Dan Giroux with your weather on demand for UpperMichiganSource.com. It was a very warm weekend across Upper Michigan, and that warm weather is carrying over into this week as well. It's also a bit on the humid side. There is a little bit of relief that's coming a little bit later on this week in the form of a cold front. That's going to bring us showers and thunderstorms Tuesday night into Wednesday. But again, as I mentioned, it's also going to cool us off into the later parts of this week. Just a few clouds across Upper Michigan this morning at the 8 o'clock hour. Outside of that, it is very quiet, and our next system still off to the west. It still needs a little bit of time to develop, but once it does, it's going to pack at least a little bit of a punch. We'll put Predictor 6 in motion, and we stay dry today. Today is going to be very warm, very sunny across Upper Michigan. And then tomorrow, we start to see that warm front move closer to Upper Michigan, and that's going to have a few showers associated with it. So as we get into the afternoon hours, there is the potential over parts of the western UP to see a stray shower or two. Our better chances for rain move in later in the evening into the overnight hours. Here's that cold front stretching just to the south, and that's going to be moving into Upper Michigan late tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. And then by about Wednesday morning, we see that most of the way through Upper Michigan, and that will continue to track east. So as the day goes on Wednesday, we're actually going to start out with a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in the eastern UP. But then we start to dry out, and we even see that sun pop out in the western UP later in the day. But note how these lines are kind of packed together. Basically, that's going to mean it's going to be a bit windy on the back side of this system. And as those winds come out of the northwest, our temperatures are going to be a little bit cooler this week, or at least for the second half of this week. So for the rest of our day today, we'll be looking at plenty of sunshine across Upper Michigan. Temperatures into the upper 80s in many areas, some areas pushing 90 degrees. But with light winds out there, it's not going to be a lot of relief out there. Then overnight, temperatures dip down into the 60s, and that's as a result of some very high humidity across Upper Michigan. Then for tomorrow, we'll be dealing with increasing clouds, especially in the western UP. We see the chance of a few showers and thunderstorms building late in the day. Otherwise, another warm day as temperatures get back into the upper 70s and even the upper 80s. Winds pick up a bit as well out of the south at about 6 to 18 miles per hour. Your TV6 day forecast, that cold front moves through Tuesday night into Wednesday. As it does so, bringing that rain and a few showers and thunderstorms, we actually start to dry out, and then we actually cool off into the later parts of next week. Have a wonderful day.